Hello ma'am, hello friends. Allow me introduce we group. My name is Rumul Megaria and I have partner. His name is Viranti. We are from group 6. Material about students are able to get idea about syntax. Now we are going to explain about syntax. Syntax is the study of how words and morphemes combine to form large unit sounds as phrases and sentences. The main concepts of syntax include word orders, grammatical relationships, hierarchical or constituent sentence structure. Syntax is a tool used in writing grammatically correct sentences. Syntax is also one of the main components of grammar, so people can know how to start a question with a question mark. It is syntax that gives words the power to relate to one another in successions, to carry meaning of any kinds, and shining one by one in the right place. Example sentence syntax. 1. The boy jumps with joy. 2. With pleasure the child jumps. B. By rearranging only one word in a sentence, a varied syntax is formed. It is a grammatically correct and acceptable form of English. Syntactic structures had a great impact on the study of knowledge, zook and material process, being an influential work in shaping the field of cognitive science. It has also significantly influenced research on computer and the brain. The importance of syntax structures lies in on language at a time when it was unusual and in a formal linguistic context where it was unexpected. Grammar is the study of the rules that govern the use of language. This science is part of the field of science that studies language, namely linguistics. Indonesian grammar has been regulated in the Indonesian Standard Grammar Book. Grammatically meaning is the meaning conveyed in a sentence based on word, order, and another grammatically choose meaning and grammatically structure. Words grouped together at random have title meaning on their own unless they happen by accident. For example, each of the following words have a lexical meaning at the word level as indicated in the dictionary, but they do not convey a grammatical meaning as a group. Example is A without grammatical meaning. Lighting his jump in front of the purple descending hill. But when special orders are given to this word, grammatical meaning is great because of the relationship they have with each other. Example B with grammatical meaning. The purple light jumps on the hill in front of him. And the next is Vira.
Hello, I'm Viranti. Non-grammatical sentence is normally marked with an asterisk. Biasanya menggunakan simbol. Nah, simbolnya itu seperti ini. Itu seperti bintang. Dan sometimes two in front of it. example, saya mengambil contoh, the boy kissing the girl. Nah, di depannya itu biasanya diawali dengan simbol bintang itu. Nah, itu adalah simbolnya. The boy kissing the girl. Dan part structure rules-nya itu are type of reverse rule used to describe a given language syntax and are closely associated with the early stage of transformational grammar proposed by Norman Chomsky in 1957. Aturan-aturan struktur frasa seperti yang biasa digunakan beroperasi sesuai dengan hubungan ini, frasa ini sesuai dengan hubungan konstituen ya. Dan part structure as a part of syntactic category is it important to comprehend the concept of INP. Nah, INP itu biasanya kita sebut noun phrase di dalam bahasa Inggris, dan ADJP. ADJP itu adjective phrase, and VP. VP ini verb phrase, and then ADVP. Nah, itu adalah adverb phrase. Dan kemudian PP, preposition phrase. Dan yang pertama adalah noun phrase. Saya mengambil contoh for the example, pretty girls whispered softly. Nah, di situ adalah NP atau noun phrase. Yang mana noun phrase tersebut? Yaitu di pretty girls-nya ya. Pretty girls. Nah, itu adalah noun phrase. Verb phrase. Verb phrase ini kita bisa mengambil contoh he has been singing. He has been singing. He has been singing. Nah, itu adalah VP. Yang mana VP tersebut? VP tersebut adalah been singing. Nah, itu adalah VP-nya or verb phrase. Dan kemudian and then adverb phrase. Saya mengambil contoh, he ran very quickly. Yang mana adverb phrase-nya? Adverb phrase-nya itu adalah very quickly or ADVB-nya. Dan next, proposition phrase. Proposition phrase itu for the example-nya, he arrived by plane. Nah, yang mana proposition phrase-nya? Itu adalah by plane. By plane itu proposition phrase or PP. Oke, next itu a rule of transformational. Di sintak ini itu adalah aturan tata bahasa transformational yang menghubungkan dua penanda frase dalam perjalanan derivasi dari representasi sintaksi yang dalam kepermukaan dari sebuah kalimat. Itu as by reordering, inserting or deleting elements, a rule that converts by structure into surface structure. Thank you. This is our presentation. Sorry if we are wrong. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.